Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about reading the road and predicting what could happen, and always be ready for unexpected. So for you to safe on the road, it's always best for you to read the road. The more you read, more you will be ready for unexpected. So this is what I want to show you in practice when I'm driving, showing you what I am looking for, what I am reading, so that you could understand how to read the road so that you are ready for unexpected. Let's start the lesson. In a manual car, you put the clutch down, go to first gear, look around, look at the blind spot, signal if needed, okay, blind spot again, and as I'm moving, blind spot one more time, and I move. Mirror, second gear. So at the end of the road, I will be turning right. At the end, turning right. So I look at the mirror, put the signal on right, and then I'm predicting, I'm guessing if this road is open or closed. It's a closed junction, so I need to go to my side of the road after the parked car, come to the end of the road, and then I can't see anything, so I push into first gear and I'm edging forward, and there's no one coming. Now I can see there's no one coming. Mirror, second gear. So the junction it's a closed junction, so I didn't know who was coming. So what did I do? I had to go to the line, push into first gear, and then edge forward to see if it's safe to go. There is a car coming. They're waiting, so I'm going to carry on going. The car behind is not overtaking the other car, so it's fine. Third gear. Now here, what am I thinking? I've got parked cars on both sides. If there's a car coming, I've got no space for two cars. So what do I have to do? I have to think of the meeting situation where there's no space for two cars. Here, I have this space. There's a car, they have a gap over there. Just made it. If there's another car coming now, what am I going to think? Maybe stop and let them go. This car, I was thinking, the road is narrow, so I'm going to go slowly in case someone coming. There's no one coming. I'm just going to follow the road. This road bend towards left. It's a sharp bend, so I'm going to put the signal on even though it's the same road. Slow the car. So the second gear. I'm going to go slowly because I can't see anything. I'm going to push into first gear now because my speed is too slow and I couldn't see, so I had to go slowly. Now this corner was a sharp corner, really sharp turn, so I went really slowly, which meant I had to reduce the speed under 10. So what did I do? I pushed into first gear. And that's what you have to do. Always make sure you read the road and see what situation you're in, and then according to that you reduce your speed, and obviously with the speed you have to see what gear you need. There's a car coming. They're going the other way now, but always read the road and see what's happening. I'm going to go next road on the left. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Slow the car. I can't see anything. Go to second gear. As I go into the road, I can't see. I'm going to go really slowly. Push into first gear because the speed is really low. There's no one coming. Okay, there is a car, but the gap is there for me to go. Mirror, third gear. They're waiting now. If they didn't, I would have slowed down. There was a gap here. I could have stopped before the gap. On the crossroad, we're going to go right. Mirror, mirror, signal right. It's a closed junction. I can't see anything. So what am I going to do? Slow the car. Push into first gear. Let the car roll. Keep looking. Let the car roll. And go. Mirror. Second gear. Now, it was a closed junction. I reduced my speed. I didn't stop the car fully. I went to the line, reduced my speed, pushed into first gear, let the car roll. Now I could do that because it's a giveaway line. If there was a stop line, I had to stop fully. But because it's a giveaway line, I reduced my speed right down, pushed into first gear, and then what did I do? I kept rolling until I could see if it's safe to go. And it was safe, when I went. So if it's closed junction, go to the line and then reduce your speed, push into first gear, let the car roll, keep going until you can't see if it's safe to go. The road is narrow here. There could be car coming from the opposite, so I'm going to drive in the middle and I'm reading the road and I'm thinking if there is a car coming, because if there is a car coming, what am I going to do? I'll have to stop on those gaps. There's no one coming. I'm reading the road right to the end, and the road is really narrow. I'm going to reduce my speed, go to second gear, because I don't want to take the wing mirrors. That's it. Go really slowly. See what's coming. Look, advance, mirror, go. Now here I'm going to overtake those parked cars. I have to see if there's anyone coming, because if there is, I'll have to wait, maybe go into those gaps and wait. It's all about reading the road, knowing what's happening. At the end, I'm going to go left, mirror, mirror, signal left, into first gear. There is a car coming, but I've got the gap to go, mirror, second gear, okay, third gear. Traffic light is green. What could happen? It could change. Mirror again, speed up. Okay, the gap is there. Now the green light, it could have changed, so I have to go in a way in case it does change. Try not to beat traffic light, because as soon as you see green, it doesn't mean you have to speed up. Okay, mirror, I'm gonna go left, signal left. I'm the first car and I just came and it went to red, so I know it's going to be a little while, so I went to neutral, put the handbrake on, and I'm waiting. And became red, they started to go, which means it's going to be them next before us. So I'm going to wait and give them a little bit more time until I could see. Now you can see they're going, which means after them it's going to be us. So I'm going to give them a few seconds until I get ready. Now I'm going to get ready. Look all the mirrors and again mirrors, and I'm going to go. Mirror, third gear, traffic light green. What could happen? It could change. Okay, like I said, if you see green traffic light, try not to beat traffic light. Okay, what could happen here? I've got lots of parked cars. I've got a pedestrian crossing, which is a zebra crossing. There could be somebody crossing here. I could have a red car is going the other way. You could have gone the other way. Parked cars could move, door could open. There was a person, maybe they want to cross the road. Traffic light, there could be somebody pressing the button to cross the road. Okay, going straight. There's a bus stop. This bike, he could come in front of me. Even though I've got the priority, just read the road or what could happen. Okay, I've got an island in the middle. I'm looking for if there's somebody there to cross the road. There could be. These islands are there to help people to cross the road. When you have a big road, big large road, and if it's busy, they probably put one of those islands. Why? So it's easier for people to cross half off. Instead of people to cross all in one go, it is easier and better and safer for pedestrians to cross 50-50. So when you see one of those islands, what do? Look for people. There could be somebody there. Okay, the car in front going right, traffic light could change. Okay, parked cars. those parked cars could move, door could open. So these are the things I'm reading. The more you read, more better you are ready, more you are prepared if something happens. Okay, mirror, traffic light is red, people are crossing, slowing down, and go to first gear. Mirror, mirror, now there's no one there. Mirror again, second gear. Traffic light is red again. There's a road here, there's a road on the other side. There could be car coming from there, there could be car going in there. Okay, always read and see. Even though we are in the main road, these are side roads. If there's a car coming, we have the priority. But just because you go the priority doesn't mean we're not going to read, and that doesn't mean we're not going to be ready for them. Anything could happen. Somebody could just come in front of you. So always be ready in case there's a car just comes in front of you. Okay, it's not all about it is my priority, I'm just going to go without reading. Because just because it's your priority doesn't mean you're not going to have cars coming from the junctions. Always be ready, always be prepared, always make sure that if there is somebody coming and comes in front of you, always ready for those cars. I'm going to go left here actually. Mirror, mirror, I'm going to go left here, okay? There's nobody's there on my side mirror. There's no bike. There could be a bike on the side. Always be ready for them. Okay, all the mirrors, there's no one there. Okay, second gear, before the turn. Okay, so when you're turning, if you could go to second gear before the turn, go to second gear. As you are turning, try not to change gear because you need steering, both hands on the wheel. Mirror, third gear. There's another island in the middle, can you see? It's getting dark, so you can see the light, somebody crossing. Okay, can you see? So this island, I could see another island coming. Mirror, always make sure you're ready in case you have to stop. So always look at the mirror if you see any hazard. I mean, that's a hazard. Parked cars, there's a island in the middle, there could be somebody there. So always look at the mirror in case you'll have to stop again. Also, if you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course. Here, I've got parked cars on both sides, but even though there are parked cars on both sides, I've got space for two cars. Even if there's a car coming from the opposite, it doesn't matter because I've got space to both. So if there's a car coming now, I don't have to wait for them. Why? Because the road is big enough for two cars. Traffic light, we're going to go left. I'm not going to signal now because there's a road before the traffic light. I'm going to signal now. Always remember is that when you are turning left on the traffic light or at the end of the road, don't signal if there's a road before it, okay? Always remember to signal after the road. So traffic light, we want to go left, there was a road before it. If I signal before that, people's going to think I'm going to go into that road. This is a dual carriageway, 3 lanes. Which lane do I drive? Always drive on the left lane. Always drive on the left lane. What's the speed here? Speed is 40. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. I'm going to go left into this road. Okay, reduce the speed. Now go into the slip road. So when you are joining or leaving a busy road, in this case it was a dual carriageway, and if there is a slip road helping you to go in, to go left, make sure you use that slip road to reduce your speed. So before that slip road, don't reduce too much because the road is busy, and if you brake too early or slow too early, you're going to make problem for the car behind. Okay, so if it's a busy road and you want to go left and if there's a slip road, go into the slip road, then reduce your speed and then make your turn. Okay, the reason the slip road is there to helping you to turn. Okay, I'm going to go to third gear. It's a bend. Okay, I can't see as much, so I'm reading in case somebody coming. Okay, no one coming. Parked car, drive in the middle. I keep reading. There could be somebody coming. There could be somebody coming. I'm gonna go right, mirror, signal right. Reduce my speed, signal again, put it back on if it goes off. And I go in. As I go in, I could see there's no one there. Mirror, third gear, in the middle, drive in the middle. Parked car, door could open. Somebody could be there crossing the road. There's a crossroad over there. There could be a car coming. There could be a car coming. Okay, all these things you have to read. The more you read, more you will be ready in case something happens unexpectedly. Okay, so you're always ready for you're going to go right. So you're always ready for unexpected. Okay, that's it for this video, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.